Welcome to our new Kia expansion. We've recently doubled the size of our service facility to help take on the ever-growing and rapidly expanding Kia franchise. We've had to double the size of our facility to take care of our customers, to make sure that you don't have any long extended wait times. That allows us to be able to look at a vehicle, diagnose a vehicle, and normally get it repaired to you back in a quicker amount of time, and to make sure that we can constantly take care of our cable Dahmer customers. We have a brand new facility that is state-of-the-art, in-ground lifts to take care of all of the smaller vehicles, and we even have some above-ground lifts to take care of some of the new EV cars. We have 2 state-of-the-art in-ground alignment racks to make sure that we can take care of all of your alignment needs. We do use state-of-the-art Hunter equipment in all of our stores just to make sure that we have the most latest and greatest tools to be able to service your vehicle in a timely manner, and to make sure the accuracy of the tool that balances the tires or aligns your vehicle to make sure the accuracy of that repair is good. We have 17 additional stalls here to be able to take care of all of your service needs, which brings us to a total of 40 at this location, which makes us one of the largest Kia franchises in the Midwest area. So we're constantly looking for great, good, high quality technicians to make sure we can take care of our rapidly expanding Kia franchise. And if you need anything else, please make sure to visit us at cabledahmerkia.com. You can schedule service on there as well. We have an online portal, and then you can obviously call your service advisor directly. He can schedule your appointment as well. Thank you very much.